This was supposed to be a quick Eclipse video for showing the different angles of different cameras recording the eclipse. We got something during the recording. So basically, this is my drone on the air. 80% the sun is covered right here. And then we noticed this thing, this smoke. That smoke is actually a rocket. You can go see right there. Then you can see from the beginning, goes right there. And then I was later reading that NASA was shooting rockets during the eclipse. We caught a rocket on the eclipse with my drone. How cool is that? And look at this beautiful eclipse right there. That's pretty cool. Eclipse is going on right now. Where are my glasses at?
Somewhere.
Let me show you guys real quick how it looks from the beach. This is without glasses, and this is with glasses. Let me show you the setup I got going on here real quick. Got a GoPro, I got a Canon, another mini DJI. I want to see which one captures the best eclipse. These are my Eclipse glasses. I'm cutting the lens so I can put it on my camera right here.
It's almost there.
There are a bunch of clouds. You can barely see it because of the clouds. Dang it. There it is. 88% of the sun has been covered by the moon here in Colonial Beach. How cool is that? So it's time to go. The eclipse is over. Wasn't that cool? So this GoPro, this is what I did with the cameras. I actually bought a bunch of film protectors, and I just taped layer after layer after layer after layer after layer after.
Sorry.
Oh, what's so funny? Do you like the eclipse or what? Think it was cool? Huh?
It's good.
How old were you last time you saw the eclipse?
7 years ago.
You were 7 years?
I was 5.
You were 5 when last time they had the eclipse?
Yeah. It was 7 years ago.
You got your eclipse glasses out?
You know, I had 8 people call me today. Do you guys sell the Eclipse glasses? We don't, Chaz. Did you already get yours?
Probably. No, I had them like 3 days ago, so I bought them right on time.